Yo guys, these two people went viral when they spotted a tarsier and they captured it. This actually not a good example to capture this species. If you see this guys, please avoid them. Do not try to capture them because it will feel them stress. And this is also one of the endangered species here in the Philippines. There's a law that if you're going to capture that kind of animal, you will be in prison. So try to watch the video. This is actually what happened.
Kami diri sa among gagmasan guys, oh. Ini sa iyo ito sa to. Lakpan ba sini? Bawal di kas. Dili. Ini pusta. Guys, kita nih guys. Ya. Anak-anak ini ya guys. Oh. Oh. Doa kamu ka. Aku aneh isa. Aku aneh. Oh, ha? Smile baby, smile. Smile baby, smile. 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 Oh, see? Ketawa guys. Pakannya? Pakannya? Smile. Oh. Unsa kay ginakaon nila ani guys? Ingna ko guys. Sige nila kaon nila ani. Diri lang taman.